Good morning, everybody. I just woke up and I'm still quite tired, but I decided to make a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to do basically like a vlog style day in my life. Follow me along so you can see what life is like as a student in Sweden. I hope you enjoyed the video and let's get going. Hi. So first thing I do in the morning is drink something, stay hydrated, and then I get out of bed, open up my curtains, just to find another day of super cloudy, typical Swedish weather. I then head to the bathroom just to get ready, wash my face. And then I like to have like a quick and easy breakfast, just some yogurt with fruits. And I don't do that every morning, but this morning I was writing on an essay, just getting that out of the way, editing it a little bit, and I was doing that while eating my breakfast. I also just published a new blog post on study in Sweden, so I was checking up on that and seeing if there were any new comments. I left a link down in the description. And then I have to do the dishes. I guess it's the same in every country. Then time to get ready so I don't look like a dead zombie in the morning. And February Swedish weather means a lot of layers to stay warm. So when I head out, I'm not super cold. I was also running quite late, so I had to hurry up and run downstairs. But that didn't keep me from missing the bus anyway. Eventually though I made it on the bus, and my bus drive takes about 10 to 15 minutes to university, which is completely fine. And then it's time for the first lecture.
Methodist has to find an answer to the question of why it is that states should invest in an enterprise that results.
Most universities also have microwaves, so I bought some lunch and heated that up. And then I ate some of the pasta and chatted with some friends. We then decided to head to the library just to get some studying done before the second lecture, and also just to catch up. The library is really modern and beautiful, of course has a lot of books, and it's just a great place to meet up with friends. And I was just highlighting and working on some notes, preparing for the second lecture. Most university lectures here are around like 2 hours with a break in between. And those are some of my really serious important notes I took. Of course, with the gorgeous view from every building. Then we went downstairs to the Niaga Building, which is basically like the headquarters of Malmö University. It's a really beautiful building, and then we started getting ready for lecture number 2.
Can you imagine?
So then, after a super long lecture, I headed for my workout class. It's just like 45 minutes, but it's a great way just to move your body once a day. And here's a really bad footage of me driving home, again like 15 minutes just to get home. It's super cold, but that makes coming home just a lot nicer. And after workout class, I'm of course super hungry, so I just made some avocado toast to not starve. And then I lit the candle, changed into some comfortable clothes, and just relaxed a little bit. That day I was also doing laundry, just had some clean clothes to wear, and got ready with that. And yeah, I just made ramen for dinner, just with some veggies and tofu. It's cheap and easy and also really delicious. A crucial part of my evening routine is also watching 6 episodes of Brooklyn Nine-Nine, even though I have to work on a really important essay. So I got some snacks to get ready and prepare myself, and also drink some Oatly, and then I can work on that essay even though it's already midnight. Yay! Hey guys, so I just finished that essay. It's like 1 AM now, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm just going to get ready for bed and go to sleep finally. It's been a long day, but I hope you really enjoyed that video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.